Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to solve an addition problem by using the splitting strategy. Let's use 32 plus 16 as an example. This is a problem that comes from your homework for this week. One way to solve this kind of problem is by splitting a number apart into its tens and ones. That's why it's called the splitting strategy. So I know that the number 32 is made of a 30, that's the tens, and a 2. And I know the number 16 is made up of a 10, that's my tens, and a 6. So what I can do is add my tens, 30 plus 10, which equals 40. That's a nice, easy addition sentence that I can solve in my brain because I know that 3 plus 1 is 4, so 30 plus 10 is 40. Then I can add my ones, my 2 and a 6. 2 plus 6 equals 8. And now I can put 40 plus 8 together, and it equals 48. So the sum of 32 plus 16 is 48. We could also say that 32 plus 16 is the same as 48.